Ya kami mau hasil positif buat kami untuk pertandingan besok. Soalnya 2 laga sebelumnya di FC kami mengalami kekalahan.
Tomorrow difficult match. Opponent team have many players with experience. The last match for the league or for the cup they won. Also the last match for AFC Cup they won, so they are in a good mood. We unfortunately for AFC Cup we lose the first 2 matches, but tomorrow we want to change the history, and we want to collect points. We know that's going to be very difficult, but we're going to try to do our best. And I know that we are not playing on Sulawesi, on Pare-Pare, but I think we not play just for PC Makassar. We play for Indonesia also. So try to come to the stadium to support our players, to bring positive energy, to bring extra energy, because we have a good example. Last match, the supporters come to the stadium and make a fantastic environment, and the players make a fantastic game.
Ya, selamat sore. Kalau untuk saya dan teman-teman semua untuk persiapan pertandingan besok, ya kami mau hasil positif buat kami untuk pertandingan besok. Soalnya 2 laga sebelumnya di FC kami mengalami kekalahan, dan satu lagi buat supporter kami yang ada di Indonesia, khususnya yang ada di Makassar, terus dukung kami buat pertandingan besok. Semoga pertandingan besok kami PC Makassar bisa meraih hasil yang terbaik. Terima kasih.
They have good team, many players with experience, players from national team. Also the foreigners are good. They change the striker and they are score. They have players with speed, players good on set pieces. They have dual players from Japan that they are strong on offensive set pieces also, especially the number 6. They have experienced player, the captain, that have very good performance with long ball, with short passes, and make good last pass, special for second post. So tomorrow, if we want to make a good game, a good result, we must be focused since the first minute until the end, because this team can change the result quickly, and we have a good example. The last match for AFC Cup, they are losing 1-0, and in 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, they changed the result and they won. So I expect very difficult tomorrow, and if we want a good result, we must be in good performance and very good focus. Yes, it's true. The 2 first matches for AFC Cup were not good. The first one, bad preparation, bad travel, many things happen. The second, many mistakes from our side, and opponent team better than us. And now we want to change the history. I'll be honest with you, the focus in my opinion is going to be Liga 1, Liga of Indonesia. But of course, we have the possibility to represent PC Makassar and to represent Indonesia on international competition like AFC Cup. We need to give our best to get the best result. And we hope that tomorrow we can make a history different, like the 2 last matches for AFC Cup.